everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jerry and you're watching Jerry Education. Now last time we have already learned how to modify the text and how to insert the head, right? Now in this video we are going to look at how to insert the running header, first running header, and then Tibetan number in words, right? So to insert or to import Tibetan number in Word, you have to type in Microsoft Word or in Pages. If you have a MacBook, you can write it in Pages here, alright? Or you can write it in the Microsoft Word. Now, you have to write it like this one, alright? Now, chi, ni, sum, shi, like this one. And then, size doesn't matter. You just have to put the text in the center. That's it, alright? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can just, okay, I'll just control N, right? Now where is the Tibetan? My Tibetan. Alright, now see. Oh, check, right? Sorry, Jira. Okay, now select all and then increase the size. It's up to you, it doesn't matter, because when you import this number in words in InDesign, there's a preset or a predefined text size, alright, so don't worry. Now after this one, just select all, or just write, just use the shortcut Command A, and I'll just change my keyboard to English. Alright, now you just center it a line and keep typing, right? Keep typing. Oh, alright, sorry, and then same. Those are just almost like you just have to type everything first, alright? Say till I'll just say till how many numbers, till 30, alright? If you have a very long pairing, say sometimes the pecha or the Tibetan scripture is very long, so you just have to put around 50. So depending on your text, you have to put it, alright? So I have made my own set of text, right? Where's my text tool? Sorry, just desktop here. So my picture, alright, sorry, here numbers in Tibetan. Now if you want this, right, if you want this, I'll just leave this link in the description. Just download it, alright? See, I've written till Sochik means 31, right? So if your Tibetan scripture or the pairing is very long, you can put extra, so ni, so sum, so she, extra, right? 32, 33, 34. So it doesn't matter. So I'll just quit this one, alright? Alright, now let's get back to this one. So go to the pages. Now go to the master B or B parent. Now in this section, the Tibetan number in word text box, you just have to type anything, right? So example like this one. Now if you think the text size is okay, just keep it as it is, alright? So we have already discussed how to arrange, how to make this one in, I think, part 1 or part 2. I think part 1 and part 2, alright? So you can watch that video. Now go back. If you have already give the size and then the font already finished, then you don't need to do it again. Just go to the body page, alright, body page B. Now we want to import the number, Tibetan number. So how do we import what is the shortcut? Command D or Control D, alright? Sorry, because I already changed my Command D or Control D. Now My one is, I think, desktop. Sorry, here. Okay, now I'll just open. Now don't use show import option, alright? Because every software has its own predefined uh, paragraph style and the character style. Okay, so don't use the show import option. Just replace a selected item. That's it. Okay, open. Now when you open, we have already learned this one in the previous lesson in part 2. So here the text is on the cursor. Just click once. Okay, now if you think the text size is very big, or the so wait a second, right? If the text size is very big, we can arrange it later on, so don't worry. First thing. Second one, if the text is very down to the line, you can just arrange it later on, so don't worry about that one also. So just click one here, click once. All right, go to the master page, body page B of 3. Click here, we have to link that one, right? Click one again, go to here. Now can you see the mistake? The mistake is we have to convert this into the uh, what should I call, into Adobe Word Ready Paragraph Composer. So first Control Z or Control Z. All right, sorry. Okay, now I've forgotten one thing. Ni, page number 2. Okay, now page number 3. When you hover over here, always use the shift key. While holding down the shift key, click here, because we don't want the page number on the right side, we just want the page number to the left side. So look at here, click once, done. Right, now this will automatically create lots of pages. Okay, now if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll show you. See, it will automatically create lots of pages, depending on the number, how many numbers you have, right? So here, so the words or the letters are sort of jumbled words. So Control A, remember Control A, go to the hamburger menu and Adobe Word Ready Paragraph Composer. Okay, now we can reduce the text size. All right, say 16, 17, around like that one. Okay, where's a number? Lots of pages, right? I'll tell you what to do now. Next one here. Now if you have lots of more text, then you can just keep adding, keep adding. Otherwise, we can delete, right? So the text size is very small, 16, 17, 18. I think 18 is good, right? Now page number 3 we want. Now after this, the page number, the right side, we don't want all those things. How can we delete that one, right? First click once here. Okay, go to the last page in your body page. All right, hold the shift key and then click here. All right, now use the dustbin or the delete. Okay, it will show you warning, it doesn't matter, we just want to delete that one. Done. Now if you can see here, there's a red plus or a red box. What does this mean? This means that there's some text left out. There's still text. There is still a lot of text here. So how can we solve that one? It's very simple. Hold down the shift key. While holding down the shift key, move the down arrow key. All right. Now, if you don't want to do this one again, just hold down the command shift and then hold down this down arrow. All right. See, now if you have Windows, just use the Control Shift down arrow and then delete once. Finished. All right. It's very simple. That's it. Now hold down the W key. Alright, see, number Sumba. Now if I go to now, we want the running header, right? Running header. Go to the B parent. If you click once here, right? Okay, B parent. Now we want the running header. How can we achieve the running header? It's very simple. Now, whenever you are using a running header in Tibetan, not in English words, in Tibetan, always use the character style. Alright? Now, we want the character style to be empty. Empty. Don't select the text tool or anything. Just select the selection tool only and then use the plus click. Create new style. Here, double click here. We want this one to be running header. So we will call this header run. Run, okay, run, run only, done. That's it. We don't want and we don't want to select any style right now. We just want to create an empty character style. All right, now next one, we have to go to the, I think, here, type. Go to the type. Now special character, go to the text variable. Okay, go to the text variable. Define. We don't want to insert, we want to define. We want to create our own running header in English. So if you are like author in English, it's very easy. All right, but in Tibetan it's very different, right? So we want to create new. Click new. We want to give the variable name, say variable 1. It's okay. The type should be running header character style, not the paragraph style, because the paragraph style and the character style is very different. Character style, it will choose particular words like say text only, or use, or you only, us. If you want just to show the us only, just you can use the character style. But the paragraph style, it will choose all the one, right? Now I'll show you an example afterwards, right? Now first on page is okay. Style we have already selected here, running, run. All right, now text before, we don't want the text before. Text after, we want the text after. What do we want? We want the sharing, one space again, one. All right. Okay, now delete and punctuation change case we can use afterwards. Don't worry. Done. Now go to the B pages, master pages, or the B parent. Go to the B parent. Double click here. Right click. Right click here. All right. Just right click and insert variable. Variable, we have already created variable. So remember the variable one. See. Select all. Control A. No, it's not working properly. So it's all right. Don't worry. We can insert again. Insert variable, variable 1. Done, finished, right? So in the C parent, we just want here first thing first. C parent, insert variable, variable 1, and another side, other side, other side, other side. Here, insert variable, variable 1. That's it. Now if you go to the body page, you won't see any changes. We have already created variable 1. Why it is not showing the title or the title of pages, right? We want this conglomerate to be appear in the running header. So sorry, um, sorry. Okay, here. Okay, now how do we let the the InDesign know this is the running header? Okay, now we have already created the character style, but the character style is a empty style. All right, so we want to fill it. Hold. So you can just select how much text you want to show in the running header. That's it. Kangloma. That's it. All right, and then click once. Run. Finished. Now if you go to the your body page, you can see here Kangloma. See, it's very easy. Okay. If you say, for example, right, for example, why we are using the running header as a character style? Why? It's because if we use the paragraph style will apply this all Kangloma Shukso all in the running header. We don't want all, we just want a little bit, say Kangloma only. If you want the heading and then everything, this all to appear in the running header, you can use that one. So you got it right. So number in words. All right, we have already learned how to create everything. Now we want to export this into PDF, right? How do we export this into PDF? It's very easy. All right, so don't worry. Go to the file, go to the file and export. Where is Adobe PDF preset? We don't want to do that one. We just want to go to export because we want some flexibility, right? So the shortcut is Control E or Command E. Now I'll just save this into here temp. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now after using the save, click save. Now here is the thing. Uh, we want the pages, not a separate. Separate is a different than pages. Okay, pages is one particular pages, 1 2 3 4. If you use the separate, it will like stick both the pages into one. I'll show you what I mean. Right now we are saving into pages. We don't want bookmarks, hyperlink, non-printing object, visible guide and grades. We don't want anything. Compression. If you have any pictures, right, inserted in here, you can use the pixel like color, image, everything. But right now don't use anything, right? Marks and bleed. Here's the thing. If you are using, say, you know if you are making lots of pages or very long huge number pages of page, you can use the all printer marks. So when you are printing, after you printed, you can cut everything manually, right? So it will show you the crop mark, bleed mark, register mark, color bar, page information, everything. Currently we don't want that one. Output, right? We don't want anything right now. If you have the sort of high security, you can use required password or restrict printing, right? So if you use this one, you need a permission password in order to print these particular pages. You need a sort of password. Currently we don't want that one. Just export, that's it. It will show you here. Done. Now another one, we want to export again, right? So this one low 2, we'll say 2. All right. It's in the now if we choose spreads, okay, export, that's it. Now if I go to my folders, where did I save it, right? I think here, maybe. Here. Now I'll click here, open it once. Wait, here. This is pages. Pages, when you export the page or the pairing in pages, see, 1 2 3 4, that's it, right? But if you export the page into spreads, it will show you like this one. Say what I was talking about. Page 1, page 2 and 3 will be stick together. If you have a page 5, 4 and 5 will stick together. It's really complicated, right? So sometimes people use this one to print huge number of pages, but currently we don't want that one. Just use the pages only. All right, so all right, that's it. So we have already learned how to insert numbers, how to modify the text, how to insert the text variable, how to export it, right? Now currently I don't have a printer. If I have a printer I'll show you, but currently I don't have a printer, so it's very difficult for me to show you guys how to print it, right? If you like this video, do give a like and subscribe. If you have any question, give write it down in the comment box. All right, okay, that's it. See you in my next video.